Do you want to code for fun? Then welcome to this channel. My name is Ronak and I make coding tutorials on this channel. I'll help you out in your coding journey. So let's begin. Today we are going to do for loops in Python. And I'm not going to teach you, I'm just going to practice. There are practice questions for you related to for loops. So let's begin. These are the questions related to for loops. Now the first question is, add all the numbers in this list using for loop. So these are the numbers we want to add. Here's a hint to make a variable and add the values to it. Let's implement that. I'll just create a variable, sum count is equals to 0. Now why I'm doing it is, my plan is to take each and every number from this list and add it to this variable. So I'll take this and add it to this variable, and then I'll take the second number, I'll add it to this variable, which is this one, like that. So I want to add each and every element to this variable. So in that way I'll add all the numbers. Let's try that. For any variable name, I'm using num in, and then I can just use this list here. Oops, what did I copy? I wanted to copy this, command C, command V, and I forgot the bracket. There you go. Now here I want to sum count is equals to sum count plus the number. So I want to add the number and then store it to that variable. So for this I can do another shortcut to write the same thing, which is sum count plus is equal to num. So this is the same as this. So I can remove this one. Now outside for loop, let's print sum count. And I am using f strings. So the sum of the numbers is sum count. Now how did I run it is, actually I forgot to tell you. Just go to this cell here and then run cell, so that you will get the output. Or you can press shift and return on Mac. Okay, or you can just see the shortcut here. Now we got 5169 as the result. So there you go, as simple as that. Now if you're enjoying till now, then don't forget to follow me. Now let's get to the second question. This is pretty easy. Get all the characters in the string. So you want to get HELLO space WORLD. You want to get each and every character. That is very simple. For character in the string, for each character in this string, just print it. Let's try that, and you got each and every character. Let's get to the next question. Get all the third elements in the tuples in the list. Now this is little tricky. This is a list containing 3 tuples, tuple 1, tuple 2 and tuple 3. And then you want to get the third element of these tuples, only the third element. So which are these? 3, 6 and 9. How to do that is little interesting. I'll show you how. So for suppose I'm taking item in this list, print item. What do I get is, I get the tuples. Now there is a very interesting thing you can do in tuples, that you can just write the elements here. Suppose I want elements as A, B and C. So A represents the first element of the tuple, B represents the second element of the tuple, C represents the third element of the tuple. So this is a very nice thing we can do with tuples. So this will represent the same structure as the tuples, 3 elements. And then if I print A, if I print B, and then if I print See, I get like this, all the numbers inside the tuples. I only want the third element, however, so I'll print only C. Let me try that, and I got the third elements of these tuples. As simple as that. Let's move to the next question. Get all the values of this dictionary. So I have to get this, and this here. So let's try that. Dic is equals to this dictionary. I'm just making a variable. Command C and Command V to copy paste, or Control C and Control V if you are on Windows. And then here I'll get for loop for item in dictionary, just to print that item. Let's try that. So see here, it doesn't give key and values, it doesn't give both. What you would have been expecting is you'll get everything here, but no, you get only the keys here. To get everything, you just do dic.items. What this does is, dic.items is a function. This is a method of dictionary that you can get all the items, the keys and the values. You can get both. Let's try that and see, you got everything in the dictionary, but you got them as tuples. The key and the value pairs, you got it in tuples. And for tuples, I told you this trick right here. So let's apply that. Let's do key value in dic.items. Why we are doing this? Because these we get the result as tuples, the key and values. So just do that, and key and value. See, you got all these key and values. However, you want only the values. Just do that, and you got the values 1, 2 and 3. There is one more way and more easier way. Just do item, and then dot items, you just do dot value. Now what this does is, this gets all the values from the dictionary. This is a nice method to get only the values from the dictionary, and just print item. Now let's try that. And why is it giving here is, I think it's values, not value. Oh yes, it's values. Now we got the values. This is a more easier way. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed and you have subscribed me to help me grow with this channel. And I wish you good luck on your coding journey. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.